Here I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So let me start with the first one. Let me show you the Dura Speed. Let's open the apps icon, find and select settings. Here you need to find and select the following feature, the Dura Speed, right here, and you can enable this feature by using the following switcher right here, and that's it. As you can see here, you can switch on to allow apps running in the background. Here you've got the explanation about this mode. Dura Speed helps boost the foreground apps by restricting the background apps. Some notifications may be postponed or not received. So as you can see here, you've got the apps that are allowed to run in the background, but you can disable them. You can also use here the following more key and choose turn all off, and now you just disable all apps to running in the background. That's it. Let's go next. Let me show you the next trick. Now it's time to show you the 3-finger screenshot. So you can take a screenshot on this device just by swiping down with 3 fingers. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down with 3 fingers, and that's it. Alright, so let's go next for the next trick. Now let me show you scheduled power on and off. So here you can scroll down and choose here scheduled power on and off. Here you can enable, for example, switch on automatically your device every day at 7 AM and switch off your device every day. Let me say, for example, at 10:30 PM. Tap OK. Here you have to choose your days. Tap done, and that's it. Now let me show you the next trick. So let me show you magnification. Let's choose here the accessibility, and from accessibility let's scroll down, choose magnification gestures, and here let's enable this feature right here by using this switcher. Now you can triple tap somewhere on the screen to magnify things, and now you can change the position of magnification. You can triple tap again to disable this magnification. Now if you would like to use the secret mode, you need to follow our step in the next trick. So let's just press power key, and if you would like to enter the safe mode, let's hold down on power off, and here let's tap OK to reboot to safe mode. Let's wait until the device boots into the safe mode. And that's it, you just boot into the safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, choose reboot, and tap OK to confirm it. That's it, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.